Hello everyone, welcome back to the guys. This is Emily here, and today we are vlogging again. Apologies for vlogs, I know we said we weren't going to do any more for quite a while, but me and Hannah tonight are going to our town's light switch on, Christmas lights switch on, and we just really want to see what they are, because apparently they're brand new for this year. I've walked down like our town's high street and they look awful, not gonna lie. But I haven't seen all of them. So yeah, I've got my flash on because it's like pitch black and it's only like 5:15. So yeah, come along with me and Hannah. We also have our friend with us, but she doesn't want to be on camera, so that's fine. You know who you are and we love you. So yeah, come along with us and see how awful. I am joking, it's probably not going to be that bad. See what our town's Christmas lights display is for 2019. Bye. Okay, so yeah, it's bright. We're on our way now, but Dad's just forgot the shopping bag because we've got to go shopping after. Yeah. So yeah, our friend's here.
She doesn't want to be on camera.
I've already explained, she doesn't want to be on camera. I'll raise your hand. But yeah, right, we've seen a bit. Okay, so we're here, but it is heaving.
Well, of course it would be, yeah.
Like it's actually round. So we're like taking a shortcut around the back of the stage to see if we can go down there.
He's joking like always.
I'm just focusing on this one. Oh my god, mine. Man's doing so high making the kitchen. So we're like at the other end of the high street. Hannah, I'm running on your photo, sorry. It's like that's like the high street up there. These like random star things. And then this little centrepiece. So yeah. I'm like zooming in without trying to get Meggie in it. What this part of our town is called. Is it Bone Square? This bit's called, I don't even know. All you can see is Hannah's hood at the moment.
Are we going there or not?
But
yeah, let's go find it.
Yeah, oh apparently we're going in Waitrose. Come back to Trina. What Hannah made us go in Waitrose for.
Yeah. Let's go find a tree.
Back out we go.
You know when we came up
This is the tree that Dad didn't realise was here yesterday morning.
I'm going to take it.
No, it wasn't.
I'd say it was.
No, it wasn't.
I apologise for all the cars, but we're now like on New Street or something this road's called. It's really good. I've lived in this town my entire life, I still don't know what the road's called. But there's some more of these lights and tree things.
Yes, the lights are going on red.
And Hannah's on the floor. But yeah, it's not focusing. It still won't focus. Oh, and there's Hannah's face.
I'm hyper.
You also zoomed in.
Okay, so now we're going to Aldi. Emily wanted to find a quiet spot to film. Maggie's like,
well, apparently according to Dad, we only came down this bridge, it's like past the police station. We only came down here because he thought there'd be more lights than what there actually are. We'll go this way then.
We're going at Foundry Place. Oh my days. This is eventful.
Literally, we just had like photos in front of the tree and I swear I saw someone I knew.
I've seen loads of people
I don't know where I've seen her from.
I'm school.
I know. I mean like school, I don't think it's
School.
in the corridor.
It was school because I saw her. Anyway, so now we're going to Aldi.
Oh yeah, I went to
yeah.
school in there. Okay, so we're like
on our way home. What was your opinion on the lights, Dad? Don't know if you can see him. Dad? Hello?
Hello.
What was your opinion on the lights? To be fair, but we're...
Better than expected. Put it that way.
Yeah, they were better than we thought, but there was still like large parts of the town centre which were like in complete darkness, and it was like, well, where are they? Hannah, Maggie, I know Maggie don't want to be on camera, so I can get your thoughts. No.
Huh?
Thoughts on the lights?
They're alright. When they're like, obviously when they're not lit up, they're not very...
No, when they're lit up, it literally just looks like someone's just put a tree suspended in the sky with a bit of wire through it. Like, they don't look that appealing when they're not on. When they're on, they're fine. It's just when they're not, it looks awful. But yeah, we just ran to not the Isle of Wight Donkey Sanctuary, Aldi. It's like blinding me, I can't see where I'm going. To get some lemonade and bread because we've run out. And yeah, I apologise to anyone who obviously lives in town and saw me, oh my gosh, grass, but didn't realise you were there and didn't say hi. I apologise. It was rammed, like it was actually, oh, got log on, hang on. Oh, great view of the back of my head there. It was actually really busy, like compared to what I thought it would be. The entire town literally came out. So yeah, we're just walking home now. It's like 7:15, so I'll be back in time for Strictly, which is from Blackpool this week. So I'm so excited. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, and me and Hannah will see you again in another one very soon. Bye!